Hi, welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. On this week's episode, we'll be making garlic Parmesan Orzo. So the first thing we want to do is we want to bring 2.5 cups of low sodium chicken broth, if you have low sodium. If you don't have low sodium, regular chicken broth will work. But we need to bring it up to a boil. So let's get the induction going. And here's my 2.5 cups of chicken broth, and we'll pour it in. So as you can see, our broth is up to boil. It's now time to add the orzo. This is 1.5 cups of orzo. And to that, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. Give that a mix. And now we're going to put a cover on this, and we're going to let it cook for about 15 minutes until the orzo is cooked and the liquid has dispersed. I will be coming back occasionally to be stirring it, so you do want to just watch it. You don't want to just walk away. We'll be back when the orzo is cooked. And welcome back. Our orzo is cooked, and just a few things before we continue. I forgot to mention that when you started your orzo, after you put the lid on the pot, you want to turn your burner down to simmer, so medium-low, and you want it to simmer it until your orzo was cooked, about 15 minutes. Also, if you start to run out of liquid or if it starts to really stick to the bottom, you can add a little bit more chicken broth. That's what I did. When it started to stick and it looked like it was getting dry, I just added a little bit more chicken broth. So let's finish the dish. So there's our cooked orzo. To our orzo, we're going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 2 tablespoons of parsley. Let's give it a mix. Oh yeah, it really does make it creamy. And there it is. Let's plate some up and try it. So there's our bowl of orzo. I'm going to be sharing this with the family. I'm not going to eat the whole bowl myself, but let's give it a taste. That is so good. You get the creaminess from the cheese and from the cream, and the orzo is cooked perfectly. And you really get that hint of garlic in there. Don't forget the garlic, it's a must. So overall, this is very good. So that's it for this video. Hit the like button if you like the video. Share it with all your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. It lets you know when we upload a new video. We upload every Friday. And comment down below. What'd you think of this video? Or better yet, is there something else you'd like us to make? And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat.